Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming essentials: an Azure subscription, an existing key vault, and a service principal with get and list permissions. Once done, open Power Automate and create a new flow, automated or instant depending on your trigger. Next, choose the Azure Key Vault connector or an HTTP action if you need custom auth. Make sure to enter the Key Vault URI. Finally, paste tenant ID, client ID, and client secret into the connector authentication fields so Power Automate can access secrets securely. Now you configure the connector and build actions. Authenticate the Azure Key Vault connector using the service principal credentials you gathered. This ensures flow-level access without user tokens. Then, add a Get Secret action and supply the vault name plus the secret identifier or version when needed. Once the action returns, parse the JSON response and store the secret value into a secure flow variable or Azure Managed Identity Reference. Avoid writing secrets to run history or plain text to reduce. Finish by testing the flow end-to-end with a non-production secret to verify behavior. Once successful, enable RBAC and Key Vault logging so you can audit access and rotate secrets regularly. Make sure the flow references the latest secret versions. If you encounter 401 or 403 errors, check the service principal permissions on the vault, confirm the client secret hasn't expired, and re-authenticate the connector. One quick troubleshooting tip: regrant get permission and run a manual flow test to capture fresh error details in the run history.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.